And now let's take a look outside as we can see that there's a good cloud cover out there. The sun is trying to make its way through. Nicole Masincic reported that, boy, we were in the 80s just hours ago, and the heat index continues to climb as the day continues.
I don't want to give this forecast.
You just want to be in a pool, don't you?
I know. I think a lot of people love heat and humidity. You either love it or you don't like it. So this forecast, I think, is going to be love or hate, especially as we go into the weekend, because at times it could feel as hot as up to 110 degrees outside. Let's talk about what we have right now. Maybe that's going to make today's forecast not so bad.
In comparison,
yeah,
we'll take
let's
it.
compare. 72 degrees is what we dropped to this morning. It was a warm and muggy start. Some fog out there, too. Chuck Lofton was, of course, watching that this morning for you on Sunrise. As we go into the afternoon, temperatures that are now in the low 80s in many spots are going to continue to go up into the mid to upper 80s. Right now, we have blue skies in Bloomfield and Greene County, a few more clouds in Noblesville, and in downtown Indianapolis, we have a few clouds, too, but we still have a lot of sunshine out there, with the temperature is sitting at 83 degrees. Winds are out of the south-southwest at 7 miles per hour, but a number we're going to be talking about today all the way through the weekend is going to be the dew point in the 70s right now, pretty much going to stay there. So that means the very humid air is here to stay. 79 in Crawfordsville right now, 85 in Muncie, 82 in Columbus, 84 in Bloomington, and 81 degrees right now in Lafayette, and as you look towards Kokomo. Now, once you factor in that humidity, it feels close to 90 in Indianapolis, 90 in Shelbyville, 91 in Terre Haute, 87 in Muncie, and it feels like 86 degrees in Peru. That heat index is something we're going to watch over the next couple of days as temperatures steadily go up and the humidity is going to rise too. We're dry on the latest satellite radar, but I wanted to show you this map because as you look towards Indianapolis, Chicago, Cleveland, in the 80s, not so bad, but that hotter air that's to our southwest from St. Louis, Little Rock, Nashville is going to be pushing our way, and temperatures are going to be well into the 90s here in central Indiana. Not this afternoon. It could feel like the 90s later on, but temperatures only making it up to about 88 degrees. 88 in Noblesville, 86 degrees in Peru. We'll see 87 in Frankfort and Anderson, 88 in Brownsburg, Broad Ripple 87, New Pal 87, and Greenwood 88, with Morgantown, Columbus, Bloomington, maybe just a few degrees shy of the 90-degree mark. If you're heading out to Victory Field tonight for the Indians, drink lots of water. It's going to be warm and humid, but it should be dry as temperatures by that first pitch, 7 o'clock, 86 degrees, and it's going to remain in the low 80s through most of the game. By 10 o'clock, 80 degrees. Tonight, we drop down to about 68 degrees or so. Warm, muggy. That humidity is not really going anywhere, and it's going to stay with us as we go through your Wednesday. Mainly dry conditions. There's a very slight chance of an isolated storm as those temperatures make it up to a high of 90. Better chance of rain moves in on Thursday. That's when we'll have some scattered showers and thunderstorms on the radar. Looks like we could see some in the morning, maybe the afternoon too. We'll continue to time that for you as temperatures really start to increase on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So take a minute to look at the 7-day forecast. If you have outdoor plans anytime over the next week, these numbers are going to be really important. Thursday, 93 degrees, but it's going to feel closer to about 100. And then as we go into Friday and Saturday, 96 will be the high. But notice how hot it could feel, between 100 degrees and 110 degrees. Then by Sunday, a chance for a few scattered showers and storms. 92 for the Brickyard. It is going to be hot and humid. Anne Marie?